Welcome to the Gretchen Humanoid AI course for the robot head. This is the first lecture to introduce everyone to the course. We're building a humanoid robot at AI Brain. We created this course so that everybody can join our adventure as we build a humanoid robot. Our first course is based on the Gretchen head, which is a prototype for any robot head a humanoid robot might have. In this course, we want to develop a social gaze system for humanoids by covering robotics, computer vision, conversational AI, and social gaze. The only requirement is basic Python, and the course takes 9 weeks, assuming you take 3 hours a week. This is self-paced, and if you need help, you can always contact us at education@aibrain.com. We will also post an online form where you can get help. Let's go over the course syllabus. In the first lesson, we'll introduce you to the course. We'll talk about what is Gretchen, Gretchen software, and Gretchen hardware. In lesson 2, we'll do environmental setup. We'll introduce you to ROS, OpenCV, dliv, and the Gretchen SDK. We'll install each of them. In lesson 3, we'll assemble the Gretchen head. We first have to prepare the motors for assembly, then we'll assemble the Gretchen head. We'll test the motors with position control and test the PID control. In lesson 4, you'll learn about the libraries in the Gretchen SDK, such as the camera library and the robot library. You'll learn about camera geometry in order to understand how to use the camera library. In lesson 5, you'll be introduced to ball detection and tracking. You'll detect the ball with color segmentation, and with the detected ball, you'll be tracking the ball. In lesson 6, you'll learn about face detection and head pose estimation. You'll be detecting the face with dliv and estimating the head pose. In lesson 7, you'll be introduced to object detection and recognition. In lesson 8, you'll learn about conversational AI. We'll go through speech to text, AI core, and text to speech. Lesson 9 is probably the most interesting part of the course. This is because you get to use everything you learned so far to build your own social robot with social gaze. We'll introduce you to social gaze and the different type of gazes. As a final project, you have to create your own social robot with social gaze. Here you can be very creative.